And moving on, Track3D has secured $4.3 million in seed funding led by India partners with participation from Shadow Ventures and Monta Vista Capital. Track3D is a Bay Area, US-based AI-first startup with offices in both California and India. It centralizes visual data from drones, 360 cameras, laser scanners, and mobile devices, transforming raw data into actionable insights through advanced AI tools. Joining us now to discuss this further is Chaitanya NK, the co-founder and CEO of Track3D, and also with me, my colleague Shruti. Chaitanya, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. You're an AI-first reality intelligence platform for the construction industry, right? And I named a list of things that you do in the introduction. But if you could simplify what you do with examples and sort of, make it easy for us to understand.
Absolutely. Firstly, thanks for having me. Track3D is an AI-powered construction monitoring solution. And what we mean by reality intelligence is, capture the job site through various digital sources such as drones, 360 cameras, even your mobile phone cameras. And we create a 3D digital replica of the construction site. Now that helps our customers and partners to understand, transparency in the job site in an unprecedented way. You get to understand what exactly is happening on a job site, both qualitatively and quantitatively. How much work has been installed? What is it done? Has it been done according to the design specs or not? Is what Track3D automates. So that's the essence of what we do.
All right, Chaitanya, this is Shruti quickly stepping in. Let's get to the $4.3 million funds that you've raised. Tell us the deployment plans. I believe you further plan to strengthen your tech stack as well as open new offices.
Absolutely. So this $4.3 million is actually to increase our product offerings. What I mean by that is, we are doing new offerings in terms of deviation analysis and also serve the entire asset, not only during the construction phase, but go to the asset lifecycle monitoring of any physical asset. Now, also with this, we plan to increase our go-to-market efforts. We are focusing on the US market currently and working with some of the largest general contractors and construction companies over here. So this fund will actually take us to the next level of our growth.
All right, so the funds that you've raised is going to take you to the next level of growth. But, Chaitanya, if you could sort of elaborate and give us a sense of the kind of clients you're working with, if you could give us a few names. You did say larger construction companies in the US. What about clients out here in India? Do you have any? And what kind of efficiencies are you bringing in for your clients?
Absolutely. So we are working, we firstly, as I told you, was starting focus in the US with some of the largest companies over here, namely Hensel Phelps, which is a top 10 general contractor in the US doing business of over $10 billion per year. Similarly, another company would be Performance Contracting Group, which is again the largest wall and ceiling subcontractor or trade partner in the US. Now, these people have actually scaled Track3D from the first pilot project to now over 30 projects, going towards 100 projects plus by next year. And these are large projects such as airports, data centers, hospitals, commercial complexes, all the way to, individual homes and single family homes as well. So technology is actually efficient to serve a wide variety of projects and truly scalable in that sense. In India, our plan is we are working with a few partners right now, especially in Hyderabad, where our operations are based. And our plan is to actually start more operations and serve the Indian market by next year.
Okay. All right. Chaitanya, if you could take us to the kind of revenues you've made so far, what's the target for this year? And is this a SaaS model or a plug and play?
Yes. So we are a SaaS model and our pricing is actually dependent on the square footage of area that we are actually tracking. So it actually scales as the scale goes up, the price comes down. Obviously, you give discount for that. And we have grown 10x from last year. We sold our first version of a commercial product last year in the US market. And since then, we are now 10x on track to end this year at about $3 million in revenue.
Right. So end this year.
So all this will be in the US, at least majority of this will be in the US market.
So majority of this in the US market is what you're saying. But, speaking about your projects, we understand that you have about 30 projects on hand, right? How many more projects are you slated to do in the next year, which is mostly going to be which is also going to be mostly in the US? If you could take us through your partnerships.
Absolutely. So, our model is actually land and expand. So we start with one project with any of these large construction companies, but we know, like, for example, Hensel Phelps, they work on 250 projects at any point of time. So that is our chance to scale. And we will be on about 500 projects by end of next year. That is the target that we are set to achieve.
All right, so 500 projects by the end of next year, and that's what you're targeting at this point. Chaitanya, thank you so much for taking time out and being here with us on Startup Street. We wish you all the best on this journey going forward.
Thank you so much for having me.
Well, with that, it's time for us to head into a very short break. When we return, we'll tell you more about Pilgrim